Brad Williams, XL Prime. Here's a XLOOKUP with search mode as a key feature. What we're trying to do here is we have the typical range and we're using simple XLOOKUP, and we have strawberries, etc. We have fruits and then quantity. First, we're just looking for a basic XLOOKUP. Nothing surprising here. We're not even recognizing the match or the search mode. We're using default. The second is we have turnips. That's our group. If you look at the list, the range, you're going to see turnips twice. One is vegetable and one is fruit. For demonstration purposes only. Why does it say fruit out here in the output? If we look at this formula, we're going to see the match mode is ignored, but the search mode has a -1. Search mode 1 is equal search from first default. -1 equals search from last. What does that mean? Well, if we go to 1, we get fruit. If we go to -1, still says fruit. Well, what happened to the vegetable? Let's change this to turnip, and it goes to vegetable. This -1 should read exact match or next smallest. Well, what it did is it took the exact match. Turnips, it just went down the list and said, well, turnip is an exact match. Why would I go any further? We're going to get fruit to show up. And if your intent was to get vegetables, well, you're going to have to correct that. This exact match or next smallest, that really works with numbers. You can see with text, this would just be a good error tool. We know we need to change this maybe to oranges, and then we get vegetables. Okay, let's just throw this around, and I don't really like this particular tool. When you're -1, I just threw in some numbers. Okay, we're trying to match 55. It says -1, search for last, or 1, search from first. Now this exact match or next smallest, take it for whatever it's worth. I just threw in a number. We have 55, but then I just started to screw around here with this smallest. This is how it works. We're using 55. It's just going to go to the next smallest. It's not going to the smallest. That could be problematic. Just want to bring that to your attention. If we go 54.7 and it's fruit, and we take this to 54.85, it's going to take the fruit because it's the next lowest number to 55, even though 54.8 is lower. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.